Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today I've got a new casting by Hot Wheels. It's called Little Mad. It's based on a Chevy. That's what the sticker says. And not sure which Chevy. Might looks like a lot of Chevys from that era. I'm not very sure about that, but it's from the wagon family. And it looks like a gasser. The other gases which Hot Wheels has done. Looks good for a mainline. I can see a lot of details. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So now that I've opened it, looks more like a Chevy Nova wagon. And you can see there are a lot of good details on the side. We'll deep dive into it and see all the details about it. So here's the Little Mad casting out of its box. It's a funny name, Little Mad. I'm going to start from the front. So in the front, you can see the chrome grille, the place for headlamp, but it's not painted. So obviously has a raised height. You can also see the place for the Chevy badge. You can see the big engine here, and that's huge. I don't know if it's called a blower motor, something like that. Not sure. Now going on to the driver's side, and that's where you can see the profile, and you can see why it's called Little Mad. You got quad exhaust coming from this side. You got a lot of painted details. Little Mad, Chevy badge, moon eyes, and with the skip parts. I don't know what that is. Wheels we have seen on so many different Hot Wheels throughout the years, and they look alright here. They don't look bad. It definitely looks like a shorter version of the Nova wagon. It doesn't look that long. But maybe it's because it's like, if you look here, it's so high, so maybe that's why. And you can see it's prepared for drag races. I think this is where it stops from, I would say wheelie, or like rolling over. Looks good. There's no glass in the driver's side. No mirror or windshield wipers either. I don't think you need it. In the rear, not a lot of details. You can see no painted details like tail lamp. But again, there's no glass in the window. And as I said before, this is there to, I think, stop from lifting up. Passenger side looks almost identical. I don't see any differences. Chrome interior with chrome seats. You can definitely see some details like steering wheel and gear lever. Not a lot of details there. This is how it looks from the top, and this is how the base looks. Surprisingly, the base is black. Every other detail is chrome, and it has got quad exhaust on both the sides. And another interesting thing which I have seen on recent Hot Wheels, there's only this logo but no Hot Wheels written in there. I don't know why, but I do see Axle there. So overall, well, it's a mainline casting. It's more of, I won't say a fantasy casting, but a modified casting. So not a lot, going, I would say, to compare to actual car, but still looks good, looks nice. And if you are into these modified wagons, classic American wagons, I think you're gonna love it. If not, still a good casting to go with your other American cars. Well, that's what I think. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.